Hello, thank you for watching this video. The game works exactly like before. I'll also show the source code where I've initialized the Yodo1 SDK. I'm going to play the game right now, and this is how it plays. The character can still move left and right, and if the animals bounce, they'll go to the other side. On every third game over, we are going to run ads. Either Unity ads will run, or the Yodo1 SDK ads will run. My IDE is currently opening. When it opens, I'll show you where the SDK was initialized. Inside Unity Ads Handler, you can see the initialization code over here. We are calling the ads over here. The ads are called randomly. Sometimes Yodo1 ads will run, sometimes Unity ads will run. Thank you very much for watching this video.